Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the March 2020 Boxycharm. So I just want to start out by saying I know I haven't posted videos in like over a month or so. It's been a while. Life has been kind of crazy just in my personal life and just with what's going on in the world within like the last couple weeks or so. So life has been crazy and busy, so I'm hoping I can get back to doing videos again. I'm not sure how often I'll be able to, but so yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing my Boxycharm. For some reason the box is like the size of like the premium box, I think. I don't know, this box is like massive. My box usually is never this big, but it's because of a couple of the items that's in my box. So I do also just want to say that I don't have a card for my box this month. Like usually they'll send a card with like the theme and then the products on the back with like a description of the product and how much the item costs. I don't have that card for this month, and I didn't get a email with like the virtual card like I got for February, so I'm going to have to put the prices up on the screen and stuff because I have no idea how much any of these items cost, and I unfortunately don't know what variation I got, so I'm sorry about that. But so the first thing that I got in my box is actually my choice item, and it's the Sutra Beauty 9mm mini ceramic curling iron, and I ended up getting the yellow shade. I was really hoping to get the purple one, but I'm not going to keep this anyways because this is a mini curling iron, and my hair is very long, so this is just too short for my hair. But I chose this because I wanted to save it for a giveaway, because the other items that were like the choice items I didn't really want, so that's why I chose this, so I can save it for you guys for a giveaway. So it's really cute though. I like the color. It's just the little on and off switch, and yeah, it seems like a really nice curling iron. Like I said, I don't have my card this month, so I will leave up on the screen how much this retails for. So, and then the next thing that I got in my box is from Project Beauty Hair Gurt. It's a almond honey intense repair hair mask. It's supposed to help with like hydration and damaged hair and all that. It does smell really good. It just kind of smells like a light sweet smell. So I haven't tried this yet, but I am really excited to try it. So this is just what the packaging looks like, and then the back, if you want to pause and read any of that. It is cruelty-free, so there's the little cruelty-free sign. So it's also free of sulfates, parabens, harsh salt systems, harmful colors, and harmful fragrances. So that's really nice for your hair. So I can't wait to try this out. And then the next thing that I got in my box is a lip gloss. It's Vintage by Jessica. I really have no idea how to say her last name, so I'm not even going to try because I don't want to mispronounce it. But this is what the label looks like, and I got my lip gloss in the shade Pink Sequin. So it's just a really super pretty light shimmery pink gloss, and it has one of those like brush tip applicators, which I don't really care for glosses, but I'll still use it. But I haven't tried this out yet, but it looks super pretty, and it doesn't have any scent. At least I can't smell any, so that's kind of nice. So yeah, I'm excited to try this lip gloss out. And then the next thing that I got in my box, which was what I was really hoping to get, is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. Now this is Boxycharm's like own brand, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's their own eyeshadow palette. It's super pretty. It does come with a really nice mirror. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like up close. I am wearing this on my eyes today, and I really like the look, and I didn't really know what to expect with this palette, because sometimes when brands come out with like their own makeup line. It could be either hit or miss. So, but I'm really impressed with this palette. Like I said, the look I did is super pretty, and the shadows are like super pigmented and they blend really easy too. So I used the shade Spoiler in my crease, and then the shade Cup of Joe in my crease and kind of like on my outer corner. And then I used the shade Exclusive all over my lid with like a teeny tiny bit of the shade Luxe. I mean, like really ever so slightly. I kind of just lightly tapped my finger and then lightly tapped it over this Exclusive shade, this like dark bronzy shade. And then for my inner corner and brow bone, I used the shade Pop Up, this really nice light champagne shimmery shades. Yeah, I'm like highly impressed by this palette. Like I said, the shadows they're super pigmented, but they also blend out really nice, and the shimmers that I used are really good. So I can't wait to try out the rest of the palette. I'm really interested by this Swipe Up shade. It's like a glitter shade. I don't know how well you can see that, but I can't wait to try that one out because it just looks super pretty. And then the last thing that I got in my box is from Kat Von D Vegan Beauty, or whatever the new name is called. It's the Metal Crush liquid highlighter. Now, Kat Von D, this is no longer her brand. She like sold it. She has nothing to do with this brand anymore, even though the logo is still like her original logo, but I think it's called like Kat Von D or Vegan Beauty or something like that. I'm not completely sure, but like I said, she doesn't own this brand anymore. Her name or in anything isn't tied to this brand anymore. Yeah, this is a liquid highlighter. I got mine in the shade Gamari. I don't know how you say that. I don't know if you can really see that or not. But it is a really pretty shade. I swatched it on the back of my hand and I totally forgot to use it today, but this is just what the packaging looks like, and you can see the color right there. And then it just has a little doe foot applicator. It looks like some kind of squeezed out on accident, but you just twist up the bottom and it comes out, and I guess I will just swatch the little bit that did come out on accident. Like I said, it's a really pretty like pink gold-ish, like pinky sparkly highlight, which I like, so I can't wait to test this out. And like I said, Kat Von D is no longer like attached to this brand anymore, so I am curious to like see how the products are and all that. In my opinion, I've never liked Kat Von D. It's just plain and simple. I've never liked her. I never will. So I'm just gonna keep it at that. But like I said, she doesn't own this brand anymore, so I will try this out. And all the products in this beauty line are vegan now, so I think that's really cool. So yeah, I am excited to try this out. It looks really pretty and sparkly. So yeah, that was everything in my March 2020 Boxycharm. I think the most exciting thing out of the whole box is the Boxycharm eyeshadow palette, because like I said, this is the one that I really wanted. I really like the colors, and I just really wanted to test out the formula because this is like their first product from Boxycharm, so I'm really happy to have it, and I can't wait to try out the glitter and like these blues and all the other colors. So I'm really happy to have this, and I think this is my favorite item out of the whole box. And then like I said, I am going to save the mini curling iron for a future giveaway, so just stay tuned for that. I can't wait to try out the hair mask. It seems like it's going to be really nice, and it smells nice. Like I said, it does have a really like light sweet smell, so it's not like super strong or anything. So, and then I can't wait to try out the gloss. It just looks like a really super pretty pink sparkly gloss. And then like I said, for the highlighter, it's just a really pretty like pink sparkly shade, so I can't wait to test this out. Yeah, like I said, I'm sorry for being gone for a while. Life has just been crazy, and I can never seem to find the time to film anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!